So my flatmate thinks idli is just white, round and boring. Time to impress. After all, it's 2025 and we are new age foodies. Namaskar friends, how are you all? Welcome to Rumi's Flavor Bowl. Today, let's try making these upgraded Suji Idlis, soft on the outside and cheesy delight where it counts. Let's get the batter ready at first. Half cup curd plus 1 cup suji, pinch of salt, sugar, and we get the batter ready. Little bit of half teaspoon of baking soda. I would preferably ask you to add Eno, 1 full sachet for extra fluffiness at the stage when we are ready to layer the idlis. With some water in it, we make a smooth batter. Mix, mix, mix. Now the batter has to be lump free and thick like this. So little bit of oil for some shine and greasiness and mix it well like this and you are good to go. So we keep this batter aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here you are. So let's now quickly make the stuffing. Here I have some soaked drained soya nuggets, some carrots, shredded carrots, some coriander leaves, any vegetable of your choice at this stage. You can even add onions. I have not opted for it. Some salt, sugar. Sugar is something which I add to any dish that I make for that balance of taste. Little bit of butter and we blend it in the mixer. Make a coarse mix like this. Here now I'm going to add some boiled mashed potatoes, some tomatoes and little bit of any vegetable that you want at this stage. Mash them little bit. Here I'm adding cheese. This is the punch that we get because it's cheesy stuffed Suji Idlis. So mix it well. The cheese gives the extra flavor. Little bit of sambar powder. This is what I like to add. If you don't want, you can definitely go without it. Here is our stuffing ready. Now make into small balls. I've made balls so that it gets easier for me to stuff. Now here you take any katori, any bowl that you have at home. Grease it well. I've greased with butter. Now I'm adding that batter already prepared like this. 1 or 2 scoops of it as per the size of my bowl. Now I will give it little bit of tapping to make some room. Now the stuffing. Here I'd suggest you to spread the stuffing a bit so that it merges into every layer and gives a very nice spread. Over this I'm adding the batter again, giving a little bit of tap. Please remember not to fill it up to the brim, to give it some room because as it will rise it will need that room. Now use any kind of steamer. I've used momo steamer here. This is sprinkling of Kashmiri lal mirch powder just for the flavor and just for the color. This is purely optional. Now here goes our idlis for steaming 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, here you are. See, fluffy and lovely. Now let me taste it with a knife. See, it comes out clean. That means our idlis are ready. Now you can let it cool for a while. After some time, 5-10 minutes, we can easily scoop it out from the bowl like this. See, they are fluffy and look really delicious. Here again I'm showing you, scoop it with any knife, any spoon that you have like this and take it out. They come out effortlessly. You don't need anything to struggle with it. There you are. Now see, ready. Let me cut it and show you. Here is the suspense. Have a look. Wow, wonderful. If you spread the batter a bit, then the stuffing will get spread to the entire idli. and they will taste better. Look at this one. Cheesy, isn't it? Cheesy and well stuffed. Never underestimate the power of stuffing. Really, why didn't I know this lovely recipe before? This is when you want something soft, cheesy and totally savage. Do make this stuffed Suji Idlis once. They are not as hard as they seem. Do try it and share it with your family and friends. If you like my recipe, do follow me, do subscribe me. Have a nice day.